The Webspot mobile loyalty program allows those businesses like restaurants, hotels, clubs, pubs, guest houses, and any kind of retail business to reward those customers that return to their business time and time again. It also allows you to build a database of those customers that you can promote your products and services to on a regular basis, and especially at quiet times. So let's take a look at just how this system works. Well, as part of the service, we will provide you with some flyers, printed flyers that you can place within your business and provide to your customers that allows them to either scan a QR code or send a text message to get a link to your loyalty program. This first step ensures that you capture their mobile data so that you can send regular text message marketing to that particular customer, especially for promotions in the short term. For example, if you're on a quiet day or have a special one-day offer, it allows you to get in front of those customers immediately. Now, as for the actual system itself, they can simply join by clicking Join Our Loyalty Program. With this actual page here, this can be customized to include your logo, your imagery, and any kind of text and information that you want to provide those customers that want to join your loyalty program. So let's just take a look at the system now. To join the loyalty program, all they have to do on any device, it doesn't have to be a mobile, it's a web-based system, so it allows any kind of device to be able to use it, and the same for your staff. So let's click to join the program. Now it asks each customer to enter their details. So in this case we're going to put in Robert Smith. And then it asks for their email address. And finally for a contact phone number, which hopefully matches that they subscribed earlier to. And once they've completed that form, all they have to do is click the sign up button. That then takes them to the member area. Now you can decide as a business whether they get a reward point, a number of reward points for actually registering with the system. You can set the amount of points that are allocated to every British pound, so it's based on the amount they spend with you rather than the amount of visits, which obviously works in both their favour and yours. So in this case, for this demonstration, I've actually come up with a few demonstration rewards. So for this particular restaurant, we're saying that once they've reached 100 points, they can get a free drink. For 200 points, they get a free dessert, and for 1,000 points, they get a free meal. Now the great thing is as soon as they reach their points allocation, each of these will go green, and they can actually request through your staff to redeem those particular points. So let's just take a look now at the additional features of this system. So if we go back to the home page of the member area, your customers can also earn more points simply by leaving a review. And they do this by leaving a great review on one of the popular review sites or social media, and they will then show the review to the staff member, and the staff member will allow the points to be added to their account. So it's as simple as that for a particular member to be able to access the system and actually take a look at the amount of reward points they get and how their particular balance is coming on. Next we're going to take a look at the area that are used by your staff. Okay, this is the area used by your staff, and again it's completely customizable with the information that you particularly want. So the staff will enter a number, a phone number, and they'll also enter a password that's unique to them. And then they'll actually ask to enter the system. They can actually leave it logged in all day long. It's not a problem. The first thing they do whenever a customer wants to redeem any points or redeem an offer, the first thing that the staff member has to do is enter that particular customer's phone number. And they do a search for that particular phone number, and they can just confirm with the customer that that is their name. In this case it's a test account, and as you can see, this particular customer has a balance of 309 points. Now it allows your staff to enter the points they've actually received. So rather than actually having to enter points, to keep the system really simple, all they do is enter a monetary value that that particular customer has spent. So if we say on this occasion they've spent £30, and they've also shown a Twitter mention that they provided. If you have more than one store, you can enter the store number here. So we submit those points. It asks the staff member just to confirm that the details are correct, and they submit them. And once those details have been added, straight away we can see the balance has been increased. It also, if this was the customer member area, it also allows them to see which points, which rewards they're now eligible for. So in this case, so far with the amount of points they have, they're eligible to redeem either of these. And again, these are not redeemable by the customer. The staff member has to log in, search for the particular customer, and then redeem the points and validate them. It allows them also to see all the rewards that are available and to be able to redeem them. So that gives you just an overview of the Webspot Mobile customer loyalty system.